Let us solve this. Okay. So we have to find the determinant of the matrix is the form 3 by 3. And
minus
minus
2
row. Okay.
yes.
Please take that. Okay. So it will be 2 minus 3, 5
5 minus 9
minus 9. This is minus 2. That will be
2
1.
5 4
Let us do that. So what is it? 1, so it will be minus 9, and minus of minus plus. So this will be plus 12, minus 1, and this will be minus 18. Minus 18, and this is plus 15, correct?
yes.
8 and minus 5, right? So this will be 3, okay? And this will be minus 1 into minus 3 and minus 2 into 3. Okay? So finally, we get that as 0. Okay? So let's do that. So this is 3 into 5 and 3 into 4 and 6 into 5 and 3 into 6. Okay, so the 10, so 12, 5x. So we get x value as after simplifying. Okay, so the inverse of the matrices. Okay, so let's, yeah. So this as a minus 1, 5, minus 3, 2. Okay. Now the determinant of a will be, this is minus 1 multiplied into 2 minus
2
3.
minus 3 multiplied by 5
Yes, good. So after simplifying, you get that as 30. Okay. Yeah.
yes sir.
Yeah. Now, what you have to find out is the cofactors. Okay. So, and the cofactor of that, the formula is A
11 1 1
Okay. So
yes.
let us find A11. Yeah. And so, so
2 yeah.
yeah. Jump of A, which is 2 minus 5, 3, and then minus 1. Okay. So now to get the inverse, so this is A inverse will be 1 by determinant A and the adjoint A.
Yes.
So that will be 1 by 13 and 2 minus 5, 3 minus 1. So this is the inverse of that. of the matrix.
Yes, sir.
So this matrix of this inverse of this. Okay, so this is A. Zero, zero, 5.
Yes, sir.
Now the determinant. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so 1 is multiplied into
2.
row. Okay, 2 into 5, which is
Yes,
10, right? 10
yes,
and 0. Next will be minus 2 row. Okay, so that will be 0 and 0. Next, see, so this will be 0 and 0. Okay,
yes, sir.
so you get 10 only. So we got the determinant.
0.
Adjoint.
10.
Adjoint will be
10.
10. Yeah, joint of it. So that will be 10. And
0.
yeah, 0 below, right? 0 below. Okay,
Yes,
please remember this. And this is minus
0.
10,
Minus 10.
5,
5.
0,
0.
2.
2. Minus 4. 2.
Yes, correct. So we got the adjoint. So A inverse will be 1 by determinant I, and it is multiplied with adjoint.
And
Okay. So we got the determinant as 1 by 10. Okay. And this will be 10
yes,
minus 10, 2, 0, 5 minus 4, 0, 0. We get the final answer. Okay.
yes, sir.
Let us solve this. Okay. System of equations. So we have been given as x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. Okay.
Okay. Minus 8. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So let us put down what is a here and what is xy, okay, and so on.
Yes, sir.
So a will be the coefficients, right? So 1, 3, 2, 6, correct?
2, 6,
And capital X will be x,
5.
xy, capital X.
Yes, sir.
And b will be 5,
5, 8.
8. Yes. Now, first is, now this is in the form of ax is equal to b. Okay, this is the form.
Yes, sir.
Now, we have to find the determinant of a. Okay, so let
Yes,
us
sir.
do that. Yeah. So the determinant of a will be 6 minus 6.
6,
So this is 0.
0.
Now the determinant of a, which is 0, so therefore a is singular matrix. Okay, now a is a singular matrix. So the adjoint of a, which will be 6 minus 3 and minus 2 and 1. Okay, this will be the adjoint term. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to multiply that adjoint A into X. Okay, into B into B. Okay,
Yes, sir.
6 minus 3 plus 2, 1. And B is 5 and
5, 8,
8.
8.
Yeah, so 8. So, yeah, so you'll get 30 minus 24, okay, and yeah, minus 10 plus 8, okay.
Yes, sir.
So after simplifying, we get this as 6 and minus 2, so which is not equal to 0. So there's the solution of the given system does not exist, okay, and it is not
Yes, sir.
consistent, okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us solve the system of linear equations by using the matrix method. Okay. So let us solve this. Now again, let's find what is A here.
Yes, sir.
A will be, this is 3 by 3 matrix. So this
2,
is
1,
1. Ah, yeah, 2. Yeah. 2, 1, 1.
2, 1, 1, 1, minus 2,
Yeah.
minus 1,
And next is
0,
0. Yeah.
3, minus 5,
Minus 5. Yes. And X will be
x,
XYZ.
x, y, z.
And B will be
1, 3 by 2, 9.
1, 3, 4, 2. Okay. Now, which is in the form of AX is equal to B.
Equals B.
Yeah. Now, the next step is find the determinant of that. So, mod A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again, do the row process. Okay. Choosing the first row.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, that would be 2. And corresponding to that will be 10
Minus,
and plus 3, after simplifying. Okay.
yes, sir.
Next is minus 1 and minus 5 minus 3. And next is 3 minus 1. Sorry. Next will be 0. Sorry. Correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So after simplifying, you get 34. Okay. 26 plus 8, which is 34, which is not equal to 0. So determinant of A is not equal to 0. So therefore A is non-singular matrix. So A is non-singular. Okay. So since A
Yes, sir.
is non-singular, then therefore its
Matrix.
inverse exists. Okay. Therefore its inverse exists. So you have to find A11, A12,
Yes.
A13, A21, A22, A33, and A23, and so on. Okay. So let us find that.
Yes, sir.
And then we can find the adjoint and the corresponding one. So let us put down what is adjoint of A. Adjoint A will be, yeah, 13,
13,
5,
5,
3, right?
3,
And 8 minus
8, 10, minus 6, 1, 3, minus 5.
minus 5. And A inverse will be 1 by the determinant of this and multiply adjoint. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so determinant we got as 34, right?
Yes, sir.
And then this is 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3, and 3 minus 6, minus 5. We got this result. So this is A inverse.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to A inverse B. So let us put this all together. So 1 by 34, yeah, 13, 8, 1, yeah, and 5 minus 10 and
3,
3. And tell me
3,
3
minus 6, minus 5.
minus. Now what is B?
B,
1, 3 by 2, 0, right? Yeah? Sorry, 9. 9.
9, 9, sir.
Yeah. So let us multiply this. So after multiplying it, we get it as 1 by 34. So this is 13 plus 12 plus 9. Yeah. Okay. And next is 5 minus 15 and then 3. Okay. Sorry, 27. And the last one will be 3, yeah,
3,
and minus 9 and minus 40. Okay, so after simplify everything, you get as this will be, actually this will be 34, right? So 34 divided by 34, which is 1. Okay, next will be 1 by 2. Okay, and
yes, sir.
minus the 3 by 2. So we got the x value as 1, y value as half, and
1,
z value as
minus 3 by 2.
minus 3 by 2. So we got that, right?